Hello everybody, Daryl T. Dixon coming back at you today here on Instagram TV. Welcome to our Instagram Live TV. And today I want to talk to you what I call is the scam of the big insurance company. And what happens in America is like shortly after someone's involved in a car crash that's not their fault, wheels go into motion to try to prevent that person from getting any justice. And it ends with them being slandered, them being beaten down, them being embarrassed, isolated, and eventually paid as little money as the insurance company possibly will pay them. And so what happens, and I always tell people this, the day you're in a car crash, you are entering a war zone against the person who negligently inflicted this pain on you. You're against a defense attorney, and you're against an insurance company, a big insurance company. And if you want to know how big these insurance companies are, just think about this. Imagine this. There are 200 million cars insured in the United States of America. Let's just say the average monthly payment is around $100. Well, you do the math as how much those big insurance companies make just off of their auto each single month. So that is the power, and the scamming begins right there because they've got all the money. The individual rights of the person injured, they have no one other than a trial lawyer to take up for them. And it's a typical David and Goliath situation when someone is injured, because as I said, these wheels start going in motion and the insurance company is going to pay out as little as they have to. And it's a scam, because let's just say you're injured by the little old lady down the street. She runs you over at the stop sign, rear ends you from behind, sends you to the hospital, exposes you to lost time from work, for medical bills, pain and suffering. Let's just say there's something in your body that's permanently injured that never will be the same again. Well, the insurance company, the big, strong, powerful corporation that makes all this money on a monthly and annual basis, they get to hide behind the little old lady who ran you over. And that's where the scam begins. And then typically you either take the little dab of money, typically $500 to $1,500 they'll give you on what could be significant injuries, or then you hire someone like myself, Daryl T. Dixon Law. You hire Bryant Law Firm. You hire Saladino and Schaff. You hire other people who do what I do, who will protect individuals' rights. And there's not many of us out there compared to the big insurance companies. So then, as soon as you hire a lawyer, well, the insurance company goes and hires a lawyer. Actually, they probably had one the whole time anyway, just in case you challenge them. So that lawyer comes in, and he's allowed to even go to trial, and he doesn't have to say he works for a big insurance company. He can just say he works for the little old lady who mowed you over. So the rules are definitely in favor of the big corporations. They're against the rights of individual human beings. And I think in the end, we had a Supreme Court Justice, Kennedy, stepping down soon and retiring, and there's going to be another person probably brought onto the court who's going to be for big corporations and against the rights of individuals. So the David versus Goliath story is only going to get worse as time goes on. And so, you hear a lot of things walking down the street and around that lawyers are greedy and lawyers are doing it. It's hard being a trial lawyer. I mean, the odds are against you, stacked against you from day one. So show some love for your trial lawyers, looking out for the little people, not hiding behind the corporate giant, the scam. And we're going to talk a lot more about this in the future. We're going to get some guests on our show, but we just wanted to point out to people who may not know about the big insurance company scam that goes into effect the minute you or someone you love is injured in a car crash or another personal injury accident. So it's Daily Daryl stopping by a little longer today because I felt this was so important to put it out to you on the big insurance company scam. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for tuning in to our Instagram TV. And we'll be back real soon. Let us know any topics you want us to speak on or any subjects you want us to cover. We'd be happy to do so. Hope everybody's having a great week. Instagram TV, Daily Daryl, we're out.